We've just had 2 mornings with Dan, working through some leadership activities and sessions with our new year 12s. The boys were really engaged. What I really appreciated was the opportunity to work with Dan beforehand to create a tailored workshop for our boys. And so the boys came out of this knowing the vision and the goals that they would like to achieve over this year, which I think was an amazing opportunity. What I really appreciate is the fact that Dan did a lot to make sure that it was highly engaging for the boys. Lots of different things that they're involved with, lots of really interesting ways of sharing information. And I think that, while face-to-face is always the ideal, I think this was probably the next best thing. So I would recommend that you work with Dan, both in the virtual sense and in face-to-face.